Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel, the Subi fam. If you guys caught us in the last video, we previously installed the titanium ETS front mount on my girlfriend's WRX STI. So now we're going to start tackling the Tial blow-off valve, so let's get into it.
Alright guys, so when you get this vacuum nipple, it's not going to be assembled when you first get it. There's actually going to be two washers on the top of the screw, or the bolt actually. So what you want to do is going to put one in the bottom, and you're going to put one on the top. And you can start actually screwing that on. Just leave it a little bit loose so you have this thing floating. You can actually know where to put it.
Alright guys, so they give you this O-ring with the tile. It comes on the tile, but you want to take it off, put it on the seal itself, and then actually I just want to let you know that the O-ring doesn't really sit too well, so be careful. You don't want to drop it into the engine bay. So you might want to hold the O-ring while you seal this on. Alright guys, so the tile is installed. Now with the front mount and you're installing the tile, obviously the flange comes with it. You just gotta go and grab a piece to block this off. But other than that, you run the OG line right there, and that's pretty much it. So hell yeah.